Guys, welcome back to another video. This video I'm trying to do commentary, and right when I play the game, this guy wants to talk to me. Okay, if I don't, I'm going to be in serious trouble. That chatty character, I think he took off toward the tunnels all over there. Okay. Oh, I am so sorry I didn't upload on, what's it called, Tuesday. My internet went out, and I was hoping to upload a video, and what's it called? I got a badge. That was supposed to be last video, but I couldn't do it. I tried to upload again, it wouldn't let me. And then my brother, the smart person he is, deleted the video. So now I don't have the footage, but that's fine. So starting off with a chop. Go, Mr. Chick. Let's use Ember. Go! Oh, I didn't kill him. Hope you guys can hear me right now. Ember again. Did it. Oop boop. And if you hear people in the background, that's my little brother. Peck. I guess I can get rid of focus energy. Let's get rid of that. There you go. Poof. Forgot focus energy. Learned Peck. Defeated him. I think he should evolve this right now. There we go. What? Mr. Chick is evolving. Do. Ba-dang-da. Combuskin. Double kick. Oh, I can get rid of Scratch. It's a fighting. No, a Growl. Let's get rid of Growl. Okay. I'll meet you guys right when I get into the cave. I'm back. I want to show this part. It's a double battle. I just really wanted to show you guys this part. Okay, go Water Mouse and Puppy Dog. Let's use that. Oh, this is really bad actually. Let's switch. Wait, yep, let's switch that. And shift. Okay, America. Mr. Chick. Defense Girl. I'm gonna do a sick montage of me killing these people. Alright, I'm back. Let's see in this cave. Oh, we were in our walk, Pico and I, when we jumped by an old thug. The squadron made off with my darling Pico. Roar, Pico! What are you doing? I mean, I'm so dumb. What? Are you coming? Come and get some then. Wait, hold up. A Pokeball. Alright, oh god. Fight me. Whoa. Sorry, there's no commentary right now. I'm really focused right now. So how's your guys' day? Tell me in the comments. I'm gonna go full all sell out. Subscribe to me. Someone in my house. Come on, I'm not gonna talk for a while. Finally, a water move. I'm gonna talk very slowly. Very, what's it called? Low. Because someone in my house. That's my mom. And I don't want her seeing me doing a video. And she's gonna be like, are you making that video? Very loudly. So I'm gonna be very quiet for now. Oh, so you are Danny. I sincerely thank you. Now, if there's anything that troubles you, don't hesitate to tell me. You can usually find me in my cottage by the sea near town. Come, Pico. We should make our way home. Goodbye. Okay, he's out. Oh, he's out. No, he's back in. Still here. I don't want him to hear me. Oh, she. My bad. Okay, he's out again. Oh, what's in here? Oh my god, he keeps coming in and out. Coming in and out. I don't care, okay? I'm gonna go to the grass. It's right there. Trying not to talk right now. Our president would like to have you please come with me. Please go ahead. I'm Mr. Stone, the president. Okay, he's in the bathroom. I just got a word about you. You saved our staff not just once, but twice. I have a favor to ask you of an amazing person like you. I understand that you're developing a package that slate ports. I don't know what that said. Well, on the way, could you stop off Dewford Town? I was hoping that you'd deliver a letter on Stephen something. Obtain the letter. Okay. Okay, yep, okay. Oh, man. Hey, did he just fix my Pokemon? Oh, man, thanks, man. Meet you guys when I'm out. I've been developing an added feature for the Pokemon. It turns out great. May I see that Pokemon? Pet Pokemon. There you go, Danny. I added a new feature named Match Cow. Using the Match Cow feature, you can chat with people you have been. Our President Stone should be registered to test it out. Okay, so try calling up the good, you seem to be quite happy. How could I know that? It's because I'm looking down at you from my office window. Wah! See you again. Okay. Okay, I'd better get up and better get to work. Please take care, Danny. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna end it off today. We said the guy's bird. That is great content, okay? Don't judge me. And yeah. See you guys in the next video, which is probably on Saturday. And yeah, bye.